Hey everyone, today we're at the JW Marriott here on Marco Island. Going to be showing you guys the pool, the spa, all the amenities that this resort has to offer. Let's go do this. This right here is the beautiful front entrance to the JW Marriott here on Marco Island. It is lined with palm trees, tropical plants, and the beautiful fountain. This is the lobby. You got the view of the water to the back and the pool with the nice flowers as well. At the bottom of the staircase, they have Ario, which is a fancy dress code restaurant open from 6 to 10. And then to the left, they have Maya, which is open from 7 to 11:30. This is going to be their breakfast place. And this is it. It is a beautiful 85 degrees today here in Marco Island, Florida. And there's the pool. Perfect pool weather, I would say. This is one of the few pools that they have here, or one of the many pools, I should say. The resort is completely booked right now, so there is no walk-up availability. So if you guys would ever plan on staying here, make sure you book your rooms ahead of time, maybe even a couple months in advance. This is the pizza restaurant to the right of one of their main pools. And just a couple hundred feet from the lobby is the beach. To the right of the main lobby is the secondary pool, which is more kid-friendly than the other one. It features a water slide and a waterfall, which is pretty neat. And here is the secondary main pool, a little bit more up close. There's the water slide to the left. And then to the right side of the right pool, they also have Cane, which is a tiki bar. You could order this at the pool as some poolside dining and beverage, or you can leave and then they have some nice seating right here on the beach, which is awesome. I have done a review here before. I'll leave it in the top right corner. I recommend you check that out if you'd like a more in-depth look at what this restaurant has to offer. This is overall just a beautiful resort to walk around. You got the beach, the beautiful pools, and the best part is if you get a water view, that is, I mean, waking up to the water like that is just unreal. Quinn's on the Beach is also another eatery option that you have here at the JW Marriott. You get to stick your toes in the sand while you're enjoying some fish and chips or some coconut shrimp. Very awesome option here. I would say this is one of my favorite choices here. It's very laid back, but the food quality isn't too bad and the prices are, I'd say, fairly reasonable for this resort. They do also have the lanai suites and then the ballrooms, which are here for if you're coming for a trade show or something business related. They offer this as well, which is very close to the lobby, very close to the rooms. On the 5th floor, they have 10K Alley, which is an arcade and a bar. This is the view from one of the higher end rooms. Just unbeatable. Waking up to this, like I said earlier, is just awesome. This is one of the adult-only pools, exclusive for Friends of Serene. Honestly, probably my favorite pool here on property because you got that beautiful water view and there's no annoying kids splashing in the water. Another just nice view of the water. And then you got the pool. It's not, you know, quite an infinity pool. It's not on the level of fanciness like you know that, but it is still a very nice pool. And then they also have a smaller hot tub here. They do have a couple gift shops. You can get your JW Marriott merchandise here, take back to your family. And Illy, which is their cafe. If you're down to spend upwards of $8 on an iced latte, this is the place for you. If not, Starbucks is down the street and you can get it for like half the price. Still expensive, but not this expensive. Last but not least is the Spa by JW. This also features a private adult-only pool deck. While I say adult-only, I believe it's 12 and older at this pool. They have the JW Marriott Fitness Center and then the spa main lobby. They do have yoga classes and some other massage experiences. Just anything that you could really ask for, they have here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Had a little bit of a shorter vlog today, just showing you guys everything that this resort has. Kind of tried to condense it as much as I can so you weren't just sitting there bored. I wanted you to get to see everything in as little amount of time as possible. Hope I was able to do that. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.